In this easy tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can create MediaFire download link. This is very quick and easy. Just search for MediaFire, then click on the first result. Now after that, what you need to do is you want to sign up in the top right, okay? Now after you sign up, you want to select which plan you want. Now for me, I'm just going to go with the free plan, which is the basic 10 GB. As you can see here, I'm going to click on get basic. Now you just need to enter here your information, including the email address and also the password. Now after that, you just need to click on this check button, and I have read and agreed to the privacy policy and terms of service. Click on create account and continue. So after you are in this page here in the MediaFire section here, you just need to click here in the top you want to click on upload. Now here is the place where you want to upload the file. Now I'm going to add the file or a folder. Now for me, I'm just going to add the file here, and this file is this. I'm going to select this one. Now after you upload the file, it's going to take a few seconds depending on the size of the file. After that, you want to click on upload. Now after that, it says here uploaded. It's uploaded successfully. You can either copy link and then you can send it to your friend, or you can give it to your clients or like customers. Whenever they click on it, they will be able to see the download button here. Okay, very simple. As you can see here, we have added this new file here. Now next to it, there will be three little dots here. Click on it and then click on copy link. That's the link that is clickable. Whenever someone clicks on it, it's going to take them directly here so that they can download the file. Now hopefully this tutorial helped you. If you have any questions or anything, let me know in the comments. I try to reply to every single comment. Drop a like, that would be highly appreciated, and see you in the next tutorial.